Capitulation refers to a period of strong selling activity where investors give up their positions and sell their holdings as quickly as possible. It is often referred to as panic selling because during a period of capitulation, sell orders peak at a much higher than average level, which quickly drives the asset price lower and lower until a bottom is eventually reached. Capitulation can be described as the moment when investors lose hope, accepting losses, and giving up their previous gains. When the panic selling period is over, marking the end of the capitulation, it may be followed by either a consolidating period, sideways price movements, or by an upward trend that would potentially indicate the beginning of a bull market. The reason why capitulation periods often lead to the price reversal and strong upward trends is that these episodes are usually marked by FUD and panic, so the selling pressure goes beyond normal levels, reaching oversold conditions. The more violent and abrupt the price drops, the higher is the chance that it will be followed by a strong bounce. If you have come to my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. Originally, the word capitulation was used by militaries referring to the act of surrendering a territory or troop when negotiating terms with an enemy army. When used in a financial sense, the term refers to the moment when investors surrender to prevailing market forces. So instead of holding in expectation of a market recovery or bonds, investors choose to dispose of their holdings at the currently available market price. When the market presents an abnormally high volume of sell orders in a short period and a rapid price decline, it may indicate that capitulation is taking place. Although not always easy to predict when capitulation occurs, it is quickly recognized as it places extreme downward pressure on market prices with sharp and quick movements. Capitulations are also part of the cryptocurrency market and in fact are often stronger and faster than the ones of traditional markets. A clear example of this can be seen in the sudden price drop Bitcoin. As sustained bear market through 2022 led to a period of severe FUD in the beginning, investors began to panic sell their holdings, fearful of incurring even greater losses. When a massive spike in sell orders over a short period resulted in Bitcoin's price dropping about 20 to 30% in the past 7 days. Capitulation are more likely to happen and are more easily identified in smaller markets which present higher rates of volatility. Keep in mind, however, that do not always lead to a bull market and should not be seen as an indication of future performance. If you see the fear and greed index here, the cryptocurrency market is under extreme fear zone for the past 2 months. You can see on the graph here extreme fear for today, extreme fear for yesterday, extreme fear for last week and extreme fear for last month, and the fear and greed index shows it is in the extreme fear zone, and this happens only when the panic situation is created in the crypto market. You can see the graph of Bitcoin here on Binance chart. The price of Bitcoin plummeted abruptly for the past few weeks, and every investor, the retail investors, have started selling, panicking. They would lose their investment. They are already around 70 to 80% loss in their investment if they have bought their coins in the all-time high of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in last 2021 November. This kind of capitulation situation happens only when there are some FUD created in the market or some big holders of cryptocurrencies who are called the bulls, the whales, or institutional investors. For example, Brian Armstrong of Coinbase, Michael Saylor of MicroStrategy, Zavo of Binance, or Jack Dorsey of Twitter, or JP Morgan or Chase Bank, these kind of big institutional investor and whales, when they sell off their cryptocurrencies, the market tumble very badly, and this situation is called capitulation, and this can ensure or indicate a market reverse trend, but this is not sure. The market either can bounce back or may plummet furthermore. Therefore, always do your own research before investing or before buying the dip. If big investors and institutional investors started buying the dip, then the market can come up again. It happened with Bitcoin. If you have seen last week, Bitcoin plummeted and Bitcoin fell down below $20,000 mark and reached around $18,200. Even on Saturday and Sunday, it reached around 17,600 mark. But after the weekend, it recovered and again it is now trading around 20,500 US dollars. The situation of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies at the present moment indicates a scenario of capitulation in the crypto market. If you have come to my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel Crypto Anand for more informative videos on cryptocurrencies and the market trend. Please press the like button, share this video on social media. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.